Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech Tips. Today I'll discuss of definition and type hackers. A hacker is someone who likes to tinker with electronics or computer systems. Hackers like to explore and learn how computer systems work, finding ways to make them do what they do better, or do things they were not intended to do. There are the three types of classification of a hacker. White hat, these are considered the good guys. White hat hackers don't use their skills for illegal purposes. They usually become computer security experts and help protect people from the black hats. Black hat, these are considered the bad guys. Black hat hackers usually use their skills maliciously for personal gain. They are the people that hack banks, steal credit cards, deface websites, and sensitive information that black hacker was selling in black market, also known dark web. Gray hat, these are considered both bad and good guys. Gray hat hacker usually without malicious intent but for their fun. They exploit a security weakness in a computer system or network without the owner's permission. That's for today. I hope you have lesson learned about the definition of hacker and type of it. So leave a like and subscribe for more videos upcoming informative tech discussion. Thanks for watching. I'll catch up next time, beast.